name is Madeline and welcome to my channel. I create knitting content here on YouTube, and to give back this holiday season to all my viewers and any new viewers that I have, I decided to do my first ever giveaway. So the giveaway prize I have right here, it's still wrapped, I just got it in the mail. Let me just see if it'll focus on the name right there. But I'm very excited about this. This is one of my all-time favorite yarns. I almost don't want to break the packaging, but I will to show you. And then I'll make sure to package it up nicely to whoever wins. So here it is right here. It is the Mustache Must Match sock yarn in the Bumbles Bounce colorway. So it is, there's green, white, red, and then a gold color. And basically what she does is there's two kind of half skeins wound together here. And so when you separate them and then wind them up, you get two perfect balls of yarn. And then when you knit them together, they create perfectly matching socks. It's one of my all-time favorite yarns. I've never knit out of this colorway, but I saw it the other day and decided to go for it for this giveaway. Right now I'm actually wearing some of the pumpkin spice sock colorway. Yeah. Very excited about this, and I hope whoever wins this really enjoys it. If you aren't a sock knitter too, this would make a great gift to go to another knitter. So just kind of first the rules of the giveaway. So you do have to be 18 years of age or older to enter, and then also I'm only able to ship it within the United States. All the specific details are going to be down in the description box below. I used a website called Gleam, and basically it just helps you organize contests for influencers and YouTubers. So all you do is you click the link down below, you put in your name, your email address, and then your birthday, just so that they can verify that you're 18 years of age and older. And then basically what I'll do is the following Tuesday, or Tuesday, December 11th, I'm gonna select one winner, and I will send them an email saying that they won. So keep an eye out for that. It'll come from my MadelineNancyPatterns@gmail.com email address. So keep an eye out for that to see if you're the winner. So the contest will be open from today, which is Tuesday, December 4th, until the following Monday. So Monday, December 10th, 2018. So I hope if you're interested, you enter that. The only thing it'll ask you is whether or not you're a subscriber. So make sure to do that before you enter the giveaway. I hope you've enjoyed my videos throughout the year. I'm looking forward to next year, and I wish you all happy holidays.